journey of your favorite spread begins underground. It takes about 5 months for these peanut crops to grow and mature.
Harvesting machines dig up the vines and flip them over, allowing the fresh peanuts to dry naturally in the sun for a few days.
Once dried, combine harvesters separate the pods from the vines. The peanuts are then loaded into trucks for transport.
Millions of pounds of raw peanuts arrive at the processing plant, where they undergo rigorous cleaning and inspection.
For processing, machines remove all debris, stones, and sand, ensuring only clean, high-quality peanuts move forward.